flower is my lover, soft in morning light, whispering colors, glowing warm and bright. Petals tell secrets, carried by the breeze. Love blooms gently underneath the trees. When the world feels heavy, you calm my soul. Silent beauty makes the broken whole. Dancing slowly where the wild winds play, you chase my lonely nights away, away. Every fragrance writes your name in air, a tender promise blooming everywhere. Through every season, near or far, you shine for me like a guiding star. Flower is my lover, forever true. Nature's heart